which factors are underrepresented in India? Like if you look at factor evolution in India, it's been very recent.
Yeah.
Very recently, we started having, I don't think we have a pure momentum fund. We have a low vol fund. Value is something that we have had for a very long time, but I don't think people look at value as a factor per se, because it has such a long history. People think of value as a style of investing that kind of everyone knows of. Same thing with growth. But which would be that one factor that you think is not represented in India, or where at least retail investors don't have an easily available vehicle to buy that factor?
Yeah, I think, so factor investing is still in its very nascent stage, in the sense that there's not a lot of options out there. I think education is fairly limited. And I also believe that, in markets like the US, where factors are huge, you have trillions of dollars worth of investments in factor strategies. It's more or less adopted by fairly sophisticated investors, or by investors who are advised by, say, some advisor. So I think that's where most of the popularity is. In India, I would say there's not a lot of options in value and quality. So if you look at the 4 of the most popular factors in the world, momentum and low vol is something which you have some options in India, but I would say value and quality is 2 factors which are still underrepresented. I think value globally
is represented as an active strategy. In India, value as an active strategy is very well represented, because I think you have a lot of value funds, but they're all active value funds.
They're all active.
But we don't have a passive value fund.
Yes.
Fair enough.
Yes. Yeah. So value is not there. Quality is also there. The thing about value and quality, unlike low volatility and momentum, is that there is an element of subjectivity. What is quality? What is value? Is something which, if you ask Warren Buffett or Charlie Munger, they would have a discussion on what they think is value. They probably have a different definition. Charlie Munger would probably have a little bit of growth that's mixed into value, whereas Warren Buffett does not have that. So I think it's sort of subjective, and obviously now we have industry definitions of what quality is, what value is. But I think something which is more mathematical based is a lot more popular today, like low vol momentum. Whereas I think value and quality, I'll be honest, but maybe an active strategy makes a lot more sense out there, because there you can sort of focus on that fund manager's definition of what they mean by value or what they mean by quality.
Fair. That was really interesting, Pratik. So that was our discussion on factor investing.